Alright, today we're going to talk about an extension that you can use on your Chromebooks or with a computer, and that is DocHub. This is a great tool that you can use to write on, edit, and even sign PDF documents. So you can get it in the Chrome Web Store. Just put in DocHub, all one word, and when you install it, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to take you to their dashboard. When you get to their dashboard, you can import new documents by clicking on the new button, and you can drag and drop files here. You can click on them and upload a PDF from your computer, from Dropbox, from Google Drive, or OneDrive. So I already have a couple of documents that I've uploaded, so let's look at how this works. So this is a math worksheet. So this is really good for math or science because, especially if you have a Chromebook, they can write right on the screen by using the pen tool. You can use a mouse too. It's not as easy as you can see with the mouse, but you can just go here and delete. But I'm going to try to do my best with the mouse, and you can do it with your finger a lot easier on a touchscreen, but I'm on a computer. You can also use the text box to create a text box, and then I can add that up and put it in there, just like that. If I want to move it over to line it up, I can do that. I can make that font bigger, right? I can make it larger so that it matches the font that's on there. Okay, so also, what else can we do with this? Well, we can also look at regular text. So like for English teachers, you can mark up text. So you can have them use the highlighter, right? And it can be a box, or they can select text with the highlighter. You can change the colors. If they don't like this color, you want something different, I can make it pink, right? And so you can have them, highlight different things. Like maybe you want them to highlight words that are that they don't understand. So maybe they don't understand. Oops. They don't understand established. Not sure why it's doing it. Oh, it shouldn't be on sign. Just want it to highlight. There we go. So now I've highlighted the word determined, or I'll pause this first. Alright, so I changed the mode up here from this mode, text or box, to selection mode. So I'm going to undo. Now let's see what happens on selection mode. That's a little better. Right. So you can have them draw boxes basically around a word. Maybe they don't know established, they don't know imitation, or providence, right? So they can highlight words they don't know. Or maybe you want them to highlight all the verbs in a certain color. You want the verbs to be blue. So, so they're going to find here, make, remember, right? So they're going to find all the verbs and make them blue. Okay. So they can do different things like that, but you can also have them use the regular pen tool, right? They can change it. So maybe you want them to underline something in red, right? So how about you want them to underline, I don't know, a specific kind of word, like an adverb or an adjective, right? More, favorable, okay, unlimited, particular. Okay, so they underline certain kinds of words. They can also write on here, or they can even type, just like before, right? So you can have like a text box, and they can just type their answer. What she is doing is blah, 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 blah. Okay? So it's a great way for your students to be able to mark up a piece of text and then write on it. They could even, choose multiple choice, things like that. And then when they're done, they can save it and export it. So when they're done, they come up here to the 3 lines, and they can download or export and put it in their drive. Right, export to drive, and now they save the copy in their drive, and now you can even have them show it in the drive, right, and they go back to their drive, and they can upload that document to their classroom, right. So they can go back to their drive, and then they can go back to classroom, and they can upload that document as their answer in your classroom file. Okay, so this was DocHub, a tool that you can use, and hopefully this helps you in your classroom.